Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. Currently in this playlist we are exploring OpenCV basic concepts, and up till now we have successfully explored how to open an image in OpenCV window and performing basic image operations like flipping the image, rotating the image and resizing the image. Now in this video we will be exploring how we can detect actual faces from an image using a famous Haarcascade file. So without wasting the time, let's start this video by moving towards the destination folder. And as you can see, here are some folder with the description which is same Haarcascade frontal face default XML file. So basically this file contains the coordinates of human faces, which will help us to identify the human faces. After that, this is the image of great superstar Amitabh Bachchan, in which we will be detecting the face. So our output will be simply a square around his face and the main file. So now let's open this folder in VS Code. So the folder is open in VS Code and the code is super short, as you can see. So the first is importing OpenCV, the next is loading this XML file in the program. For that I have simply written cv2.cascade classifier and just pass the file name along with the path. And after that I have simply read the image using imbuild function. I have already told about this function in last videos. Then this is the main line which does the task of detecting faces. It can also detect multiple faces in the same image. And I have passed the image, and these are the factors that can affect the accuracy of identifying the face in an image. So the standard number is 1.35 that you must keep for your projects or any other work. After that, once the face is detected, we must have to draw a green line or a red line as I told. So for that, we will simply run a for loop using xy which means x, y and width and height of the square box. So x and y will be the starting point, and x plus width and y plus h means x plus width. So it will go in horizontal direction, and y plus h, it means it will go in vertical direction downwards. So this was the basic understanding of how to draw a rectangle in an OpenCV. After that, the results will be stored in output.png file. And to save the file in OpenCV, we have to use method which is imwrite. So this will simply write the image and save the image in output.png format. And I am simply pass the image to it, as you can see. And it will print face detected successfully after all operations are done. So that's the simple code. Now let's run the code. Before that, let's clear the screen and run Python file name which is main.py. As you can see, the output is printed which is face detected successfully. So this is the output.png file. I will simply open it now. So as you can see, the square box has appeared around Amitabh Bachchan's face, which is very amazing and the beautiful power of OpenCV and that XML file. So this was about today's video. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.